Naglulukuhan tayo dito because the first letter promised us that he will be present after November 1. Kung hindi tayo naglulukuhan dito, natatakot siya na pumunta dito?
Dismayadong dismayado si House Committee on Public Accounts Chairman Joseph Stephen Paduano sa natanggap na liham ng Quad Committee mula sa kampo ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Nakasaad kasi sa liham ng tumatayong legal counsel ni Duterte na si Attorney Martin Delgado III na hindi na makakadalo ang dating Pangulo sa investigasyon ng Kamara. Duda na raw kasi si Duterte sa integridad at independence ng mega panel lalo na sa layunin ng inquiry in aid of legislation. Binanggit din sa sulat ang pagkabahala ng dating punong ehekutibo kung paano umano pinupuwersa ni na Congressman Dan Fernandez at Benny Abante ang resource persons na malinaw na isang kaso ng subornation. Pero ang isa pang ikinagalit ni Paduano ay ang pangako ni Duterte sa naunang liham sa Quadcom na dadalo ito sa pagdinig pagkatapos ng November 1, 2024.
The first reply made by Attorney Delgra representing the former president is that the excuse is that the former president needs much rest. At the same time, he has a specific date, Mr. Chairman, given to this committee. And for the record, Mr. Chairman, the invitation that was sent to the former president and was answered by Attorney Delgra was before the presence of the former president in the Senate.
Kumbinsido rin si Lanao del Sur Representative Zia Alonto Adyong na wala ng balak na dumalo sa Quadcom ang dating Pangulo. Lalo't kinumpirma ni Delgra sa liham na sinabi ng kanyang kliyente na nailahad na ang lahat ng nalalaman sa Senate hearing. May mga tanong anya siya kay Delgra, partikular sa mga naging testimonya ni Duterte sa Senado.
I will not be asking Attorney Delgra on how the previous administration implemented the war on drugs. I understand that he is not capable and he is not competent to answer these questions. I would simply wanted to ask, since his signature is affixed in his letter, I would simply want to ask how, I'm pretty sure they have discussed this over with his client. So I just want to elucidate to us, how did his client, the former president, arrive into this kind of conclusion?
Sa huli, inaprubahan ng Quadcom ang mosyon ni Paduano na maisyuhan ng show cause order si Delgra upang dumalo sa susunod na pagdinig. In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Haji Caaminio ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, the Music and News Authority.